चार प्रोजेक्ट है, 1 2 3 4।
अच्छा, कौन कौन से ये सारे?
ये 1 2
ओके, कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन?
हाँ जी मैम, ये वाला एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। यहाँ पे हमने ये शो किया कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 डिफरेंट पॉन्ड्स है। सो इसमें हम पॉन्ड्स में हमने क्या किया, हमने फिश को रखा है। फिश क्या होती है, अमोनोटेलिक होती है, वो
अमोनिया रिलीज करती है।
ये हमने प्लांट्स, ये हमारा इसका नाम है इंटीग्रेटेड ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग विथ एक्वापोनिक्स। तो ये देखो, एक्वापोनिक्स में क्या होता है, प्लांट्स के रूट डिप होते हैं, तो वो नाइट्रोजन बेसिकली उससे एक्सट्रैक्ट करके एब्जॉर्ब करके फिर उसके बाद वो ग्रो करेगा। फिर वो जो पानी है वो बाद में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा इसमें कंटामिनेटेड वाटर, इसमें हमने डाल देना एल्गी। एल्गी क्या करेगा, एल्गी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा,
फोटोसिंथेसिस करेगा।
हाँ जी मैम बिल्कुल, और फिर वो हो जाएगा, ग्रो हो जाएगा, फिर वो बाद में रिप्रोड्यूस हो करके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, एल्गल ब्लूम हो जाएगा। फिर उसके बाद फार्मर क्या करेगा, फार्मर आकर के उसको रेयर कर सकता है, रेयर करके मार्केट में सेल कर सकता है। क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन। एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक ऑफ स्पाइरुलिना, क्लोरेला, दे आर वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड यूज बाय एस्ट्रोनॉट एज वेल फॉर द फूड सोर्स। उसके बाद ये प्लांट्स
It is a good source of protein.
Yes ma'am, is a good source of protein and even used by astronauts because they can't carry enough food there, so they use spirulina or chlorella with them.
Okay.
So they will sell it in the market along with the plants and the fishes also. So basically our theme was that how farmers income can be doubled, precision farming for doubling the farmers income. So farmer is gaining a lots and lots of profit, and the amount of revenue he's making is very low because he just need only a minimum amount of electricity to just make the flow of water reversible from one pond to other.
What is
Basically,
about
I am
this?
going to connect this with this. First, I will explain. This is the basic idea of the smart city. This type of principle is currently being worked in the Japan. This is called the smart track. Here we are using solar panels. Basically, in the daytime, the solar panels, when there is a sunny day, the sun is blooming. So, according we will set up the solar panels there. As solar panels have EV cells, they will trap the sunlight. And they have first they have the silicon. This white lining shows that they have the silicon or germanium elements in them, so they trap the sunlight and gives to the EV cells. Then EV cells will make the engine run. So when there is a cloudy day or some other day when there is no blooming of the sun, we have fitted a hybrid engine in this, so it will work on the hybrid engine with the help of electricity. It will go. Then these are these cars we have shown which will work on the this is car charging station, and that is CNG. So basically the car also here works on 2 different type of natural resource, and this is totally eco-friendly. Then the main, as there is a city, so city they will generate waste. This is dry waste and this is wet waste and this biomedical waste. Then this waste will be converted into organic waste and can be used in the farm, so that organic things can be used in the farm and plants can be grow free from any disease.
This is solar?
This is solar oven and this is solar cooker. They both have the same principle of solar energy. This works on the principle, there is a reflector we have given. So as the sun rays, it reflects the sun rays in this, and inside
Collect the light
and
Produce
make that,
heat.
Produce heat.